Create stunning AI images with Picasso and earn money. AI Picasso is a mobile application that empowers users to effortlessly produce captivating AI-generated images and artwork using the cutting-edge Stable Diffusion technology. Despite the inclusion of 10-second in-app ads, the app presents an array of impressive features and a swift image generation process. Notably, AI Picasso fills a void in the mobile app market by providing users with an accessible and enjoyable AI image generation solution for their on-the-go creativity. Comparatively, other tools like Wobot, Momo AI, and PhotoRoom offer distinct functionalities, prompting users to explore a diverse range of AI capabilities. By considering these alternatives, individuals can select the tool that aligns best with their preferences and requirements. In summation, AI Picasso is a no-cost mobile app that furnishes users with the means to craft AI images and artwork using Stable Diffusion, offering both features and efficiency despite its in-app advertising approach. Pros of the Picasso. 1. Stable Diffusion technology. AI Picasso harnesses the power of Stable Diffusion technology to generate high-quality AI images, ensuring impressive results. 2. Convenience on the go. The mobile app provides a portable platform for users to create AI images, catering to creativity while on the move. 3. Diverse features. AI Picasso boasts a range of features that enable users to experiment with different styles, effects, and settings, enhancing artistic expression. 4. Swift generation. The app's efficient image generation process allows users to see their creations come to life quickly, boosting productivity. 5. Alternative exploration. While AI Picasso stands out, users can explore similar tools like Wobot, Momo AI, and PhotoRoom to uncover distinct AI functionalities. Cons of the Picasso. 1. In-app ads. The presence of 10-second in-app ads might interrupt the creative process and potentially inconvenience some users. Tips and tricks to earn money from AI Picasso. 1. Share your artistry. Use AI Picasso to create compelling AI images and artwork. Then share your creations on social media platforms to gain exposure and potentially attract commissions. 2. Collaborate with brands. Leverage your AI-generated images to collaborate with brands seeking unique visual content for their marketing campaigns. 3. Offer personalized artwork. Utilize the app to craft personalized AI artwork for clients, catering to their preferences and making special occasions memorable. 4. Teach AI art workshops. Capitalize on your AI Picasso expertise by hosting workshops or tutorials, teaching others how to create stunning AI art. 5. Participate in art contests. Many online art contests encourage submissions of AI-generated artwork. Submit your creations to such contests for a chance to win prizes and gain recognition. 6. Create merchandise. Transform your AI images into merchandise such as prints, posters, phone cases, or apparel, and sell them through online platforms. Remember, the key to success lies in both artistic innovation and effective marketing strategies. Explore opportunities that align with your unique style and leverage the convenience of AI Picasso to enhance your creative journey. For more online earning tips and tricks, kindly subscribe channel.